Here's my cute as can be double flap card. So this is a fun card where you kind of put a card inside of another card. So this piece is 8.5 by 4.25, scored at 2 3/4. And then I have this cute piece of the designer series paper, cute as can be, 4 by 5.25. Next, I have a 4 by 2.5 piece for the front flap. Next, I have a 9.5 by 3.25 piece of petunia pop that I've folded in half. And so this piece is 3 by 4.5, the basic white to go inside. And then this piece is also 3 by 4.5 from the DSP. Then the petunia pop piece here is 2.5 by 4, and then our basic white piece is going to be 1 3/4 by 3 3/4. So I'm gonna put the DSP on the card and then we'll stamp. Now I'm gonna stamp the cute little trails in Pool Party around the edges. And then I'm gonna stamp cute as can be down here at the bottom. So now I'll just adhere this to the petunia pop and add 2 dimensionals to the top. So I stamped the bee stripes on a piece of Daffodil Delight, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use a black marker to fill in the ends and make the stripes darker. All right, now we'll stamp a cute little face on the bee. So I'll attach the wings with some dimensionals and add the bee over here to the top. And then we will get some ribbon and use my little bow maker to tie a cute bow. I'm just gonna add the bow. And there we have our super cute double flap card.